Auto Keys Warner. Tech Locksmiths offers comprehensive locksmith Warner solutions, specializing in auto keys Warner, car key replacement Warner, and mobile locksmith Warner. Our automotive locksmiths provide car key replacement, car remote key replacement, and car lockout services. For residential locksmith Warner services, we handle key cutting, rekeying, and emergency lock repairs. Our commercial locksmith Warner team covers safe locksmithing, rekeying, and access control. Whether you need emergency locksmith Warner help or scheduled service, we ensure fast, secure, and affordable solutions across Brisbane Northside.